Yeah, shoe heel repair short story. The heel on the right side there is fastened with the hook and loop fastener, so I can remove it. When it will be worn down at the back, I will remove it, move it a bit backwards and push it down in the new place and trim the heel with a pair of scissors. Longer story is, it looked like this. It's badly worn down, that's the sister of it, or the other pair. I have been adding one rubber sole there a long time ago. Made them a bit heavy too, 1 kilo for the pair, 2.2 pounds. So I managed to remove all rubber soles. These are nice, let me show you, Myanmar slippers. So this may be good. You do the same at the toe. When things worn down, you just lift them, move them and trim them. We make some shoe repairmen jobless.